Welcome guys. So you have your twin tub washing machine and you've been using it for several months or few years. Then you notice something is wrong and problem is a worn out belt. The belt is worn out. Though the machine is still working and has not stopped working completely, but you are noticing what are the signs of a worn out belt. The washing tub will give you signs that your the driving belt is worn out. What are the things you will notice? When you started using the machine from new, you will notice that the washing tub is washing fast, rolling fast, working well. And then it will be washing the clothes very fast for you. The time you set, everything will be washed well and remove your clothes. But because of a worn out belt, what you notice is that the washing machine begins to work slower than before, though it is still working. But the rolling, the agitator head, is not that fast as it was. That's a sign that the belt has started wearing out gradually. Or when you set the washing time here, the time you normally set for particular set of clothes, you now have to set it for longer before the clothes will wash well. That's another sign that you are having a worn out belt. Or perhaps there's a particular quantity of clothing that you put and water, and when you set the machine to wash, usually wash them well, squeeze them well, agitate well inside the water. But now you notice that the agitation has become slower than before. That means you are having a worn out belt. Time to change your belt. Now when you open the inside, there are also signs you will see that you're having a worn out belt. Around the pulley that holds the washing head to the washing motor, you see some dust, some black dust. If you touch, you will see it in your hand. Black dust. That is your belt. It's wearing out gradually as the machine is working. So this is what I mean. You can see that my finger is black. Can you see? Can you see how black my fingers are? These are the signs of worn out belt. The belt is wearing out gradually, and the dust of the wear is what we see that is accumulating on the motor itself. And that's a very good sign that your belt is wearing out and needs replacement. So those are the signs that you need to change your washing machine belt, the washing tub belt. It is important when you are noticing this, don't wait until the machine completely stops working before you change the belt. Of course, after the belt has worn to the last, what you will notice is that the machine will be working. You will turn it on, machine is working after you have turned on the timer here, but the washing head is not moving at all. That's the final stage of a worn out belt. The washing head will not move. Even though you know your machine is working, is using electricity, you are hearing the noise that the machine is working, but the turning head does not move at all. That is the last thing, that is the last sign that you will see that your belt has completely worn out and you need to change it. So those are signs that you see to know a worn out belt. So take notice of this as you are using your washing machine so that you can know when to change your belt.